Overview. In this experience, you will learn new Italian words and how to use them in sentences. The lesson is made up of 4 sections. Listen and take note of words. Say the words and repeat. Learn basic sentences. Do a quiz on what you have learned. In this section, listen to the audio clip. Take note of words related to what you hear or feel or imagine. These can be in English. For example, I can hear a leaf rustling. The word is leaf. Do you hear a bird or birds? The word is bird. And someone walking? The word is walk. Now it is your turn. Take note of words. Use your senses and imagination. How many words did you get? These are the words that we got. And in Italian? Now let's practice the pronunciation of our words. Bird.
Uccello.
Leaf.
Foglia.
Grass.
Erba.
Fly.
Mosca.
Water.
Acqua.
Walk.
Camminare.
Rain.
Pioggia.
Run.
Correre.
Lightning.
Fulmine.
Thunder.
Tuono.
Wind.
Vento.
Knock.
Colpire.
Door.
Porta.
Now let's use these words in sentences.
The bird flies.
L'uccello vola. L'uccello vola.
The leaf falls. La foglia cade. La foglia cade.
The green grass.
L'erba verde. L'erba verde.
There is a fly on the food.
C'è una mosca sul cibo. C'è una mosca sul cibo.
Drink a glass of water.
Bevi un bicchiere d'acqua. Bevi un bicchiere d'acqua.
Walk on the path.
Cammina sul sentiero. Cammina sul sentiero.
Singing in the rain.
Cantare sotto la pioggia. Cantare sotto la pioggia.
Run in a race.
Corri in una gara. Corri in una gara.
The lightning is bright.
Il fulmine è luminoso. Il fulmine è luminoso.
The thunder is loud.
Il tuono è forte. Il tuono è forte.
The wind blows.
Il vento soffia. Il vento soffia.
Knock on the door.
Bussare alla porta. Bussare alla porta.
Do you remember the words? What about the sentences? Let's do a fun quiz. Say the word related to the picture. Can you complete the sentence? Next steps. Translate your words if you haven't already. Perhaps you can use them in basic sentences? Add your work to the comments. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more episodes and other types of language training videos. Watch some of our shorts to learn more words.